Mr. and Mrs. How are you all today? I hope you are well, healthy, and happy. Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Yolan dan Mas Regar. You can call me Yolan. Okay, here I want to present about my work report. The work report is of production cost performance analysis from January until March 2025. Okay, I will explain part by part of this work report. The first is introduction or background. This report provides an analysis of PT Westfield Ecos production cost performance for January until March 2025. The goal is to compare the actual production cost with the budget, understand why there are differences, and offer ideas to reduce costs in the next few quarters. The second is objective. There are three objectives of this work report. The first is to analyze the difference between actual production costs and the budgeted figures. The second is to identify the reason behind cost discrepancies. And the third of the last objective of this work report is to suggest strategies to improve cost control in the upcoming quarter. Third is methodology. Data was collected from the company's financial records, production department reports, and maintenance logs. A variance analysis was performed to identify significant difference between budgeted and actual figures. The fourth is finding our result. Okay, here I want to show you the company budget of PT Westfield Eco. Okay, we can see that there are name of the cost. The first is raw materials, labor cost, equipment maintenance, and other costs. There are show about budgeted, actual cost, and variance. We can see the budgeted of the raw materials is 200 million, and the actual cost in raw materials is 230 millions. And the variance or difference about from budgeted or actual is 30 millions. Okay, the next is labor cost. The budgeted of the labor cost is 150 millions, and the actual cost is 145 millions. And the variance or difference of the budgeted and actual is 5 millions. And the next is equipment maintenance. There are 30 millions in budgeted of equipment maintenance, and the actual cost of equipment maintenance is 50 millions. And the variance of from the both of cost is 20 millions. And the last is other costs. We can see that the budgeted of other cost is 70 millions, and the actual cost of other cost is 72 and 500. And the variance or difference of budgeted and actual cost from other cost is 2 millions and 500. So from the company budget, I will explain the analysis from the table in this part. The production cost exceeded the budget by 47 millions and 500, or about 10.56%. The first is raw material cost, increased by 30 millions due to rising prices in the eco-friendly material market, driven by higher global demand. The second is equipment maintenance, over by 20 millions because of unexpected equipment breakdowns requiring immediate repairs. The third is labor cost, slightly under budget, which helped offset some of the additional costs. And the last is other costs, minor variance of 2 millions and 500, mainly due to inflation in utility and supply expense. The main driver for the over budget situation were external market pressure and internal equipment issue. Okay, the next part is conclusion. The analysis found that PT Wiseful Eco's production cost for the first quarter of 2025 was 47 million and 50,000 over the planned budget. Key factors include increased raw materials price and unforeseen maintenance costs. Better planning and control measures are needed to avoid similar issues in the next quarter. And the next is the recommendation for PT Wiseful Eco. There are 3 recommendations. The first is negotiate long-term raw materials contracts. Secure the price to mitigate market fluctuation. The second is enhance preventive maintenance. Implement a strict maintenance schedule to prevent unexpected equipment failures. And the third is regular cost monitoring. Perform monthly variance analysis to identify and address cost overruns early. And the next is appendix. There are 3 appendix. The first is appendix A, production cost budget versus actual details. Appendix B, equipment maintenance incident report January until March 2025. And the last is appendix C, raw material price fluctuation summary. Okay, the last part of this work report is reference. There are 3 references of this work report. The first is PT Wiseful Eco Budget Plan 2025 internal document. The second is PT Wiseful Eco Financial Reports from January until March 2025. And the third is Maintenance Department Incident Reports. Okay, that's all my explanation about production cost performance analysis from January until March 2025. If I have a mistake during my presentation, I apologize. Thank you and goodbye.